When I started building my modules for the AP class that I'm teaching in the fall, I noticed that the units are very, very big. They're aligned to the course description, but each unit is broken down into multiple parts, and then each part has a series of subsections. If I wanted to dump all of my assignments, my content, my readings into the module, this module would run very long. So to cut down on the size, what I've done is created a content page for each subsection. I use a header to indicate what part of the chapter that we're in, and then the content page for each subsection includes the readings, videos, notes, and assignments will all be linked from those content pages. This helps me organize my module and helps keep it from getting too big and too disorganized for my students. So consider this if you have a really long unit, use your content pages to cut down on the size of the module.